Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your JBL Free II with laptop or PC using Windows. And to do this we'll need to open our Start on our PC, click on the settings and enter Bluetooth and devices right here. Then make sure that your Bluetooth is on like that. Select Add Device. And we can move on to our Bluetooth headphones. So open a case. Your JBLs should power on automatically. You can remove them from the case and they should enter pairing mode also automatically. But if you don't have the pairing mode enabled and you can't see them in the Bluetooth list right here, I'll probably see them. But if you can't find them, then simply power them off by holding these two buttons. You should hear the power off sound of the JBLs. Then you can power them back on by holding the same buttons, but for a bit longer until you hear the pairing sound. You can let go of the buttons when you can also see the LED lamp blinking like that. And then click Add Device. Bluetooth, and here's JBL Free II. Click on it and it should connect. So it's connected, and only thing we have to do is to go for the sound mixer on our PC. So find it in a search right here, enter sound mixer options and check the output device, and it should be set as a JBL Free II, and then they should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.